Bling! Huh?
Hi everybody, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw Gomez from the Addams Family. But before we get started, feel free to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any Daily Doodles. Alright, so I'm going to start with, I'm going to take a dark black and I'm going to start drawing his face. So I'm going to start with his eyes. So he's got great big eyes. Kind of like the shape of lemons. Great big lemon eyes. Okay, and he's got his eyelids. And you can see a little bit of eyelid on the bottom too. And now I'm going to do a little black spot in the middle for his eye. Same on the other side. Okay, and I'm going to give him a little nose, so just like a little hill in between those eyes. And two little dots for nostrils. And we're going to give him his eyebrows. Same on the other side. Okay, now he has a mustache. So I'm going to go like that. Almost like a door stopper. And the same thing on the other side. And I'm going to give him a smile. Okay, he's going to be happy today. Alright, so now I'm going to give him his hair. I'm going to put a bit of a head shape here first. And come on down the sides of his face here. And then in the middle of his head is where his hairline is. Is where he parts his hair. So about like to the bottom of his eye is about how long his hair is. Okay, and he's got like a little mole right here. And now I'm going to finish the rest of his face here. Connect it to the other side. And we're going to give him his ears. One ear, two ear. Okay. Now he wears a collared shirt. So I did like a triangle kind of shape there without the bottom. And connect that there to the neck. And now we're working on his blazer. He's got a little tie. I'm going to color that in dark. So now I'm going to work on the sides of the blazer. Goes in like these little V marks almost. And then take it all the way down. And then give him his shoulders. And his arms. And put a line here and a line here. Okay, and we're going to give him little buttons here on his blazer. Now we are going to put in a little bit of shine in his hair. So this is where the light would be touching his hair. So his hair is black, but we're gonna leave these little shine parts white. It's just gonna look like the light is touching it. See? So I'll just put it in on that one side. So that the light is hitting that side of his face, or the side of his hair, more than it is on the other side. Okay. Now I'm going to go in with some other colors. I'm going to use... Okay, so we're going to color in his suit. His suit is like a dark purple, and it's really, really thinly striped with these white stripes. So I'm going to try my best to do these nice little white stripes. Now, another way that you could do it all purple, color it all in purple, and then you could use a white gel pen or a white lead or anything and put in those white stripes that way. But I'm just gonna do it this way. So far, so good. I like the way it's looking so far, so I'm glad I went this way. Yeah, so this will look really cool when it's all done. And I think he's got little purple buttons, so I'm going to color them in purple. Okay, now we still have his sleeves. I'm gonna go on down this way. Almost done the suit. All right, there we go. Now he's got light purple eyelids and under eyelids. So if you wanted to, you could probably use the same color you used for his suit, but I'm just using a slightly different purple. But it doesn't really matter. And I'm gonna put a little bit of gray here, color in that light area where the light would be hitting his hair. Okay, and I'm also going to add a bit of gray here to add a bit of shading, and a bit here underneath the collar area. Okay, and I'm going to use a beige color to color in his skin. Almost done. All right, so we are all done our picture of Gomez Addams. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please feel free to leave a like and a comment or subscribe. That's also good too. Feel free to leave a comment telling me what I should draw for the next Daily Doodle. Okay, folks, so I hope you have a good day and I hope you have fun drawing, and I will see you next time. Bye!